Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie here and I am excited because I'm filming a what I eat in a day video. And I have been filming a ton of vlogs lately, but I just wanted to film kind of one of my older videos. I wanted to still make it vlog style because I love filming vlog style, but I wanted to get into fitness, into eating, into more lifestyle stuff and just showing you guys what I eat in a day. I feel like I haven't done one of these in so long, and not gonna lie, it is hard to film these while I'm at work because I don't ever really film my lunch because I still feel awkward pulling out my camera with everyone that I work with. Even though they know I do YouTube, it's still just I don't know, it's still kind of uncomfortable. Yesterday I made a meal and then I'm meal prepping it, so I'm having it for lunch today so I can show you that. And this video is also sponsored by Green Chef, and you guys know how much I love Green Chef. I've worked with them twice before. I'm obsessed. It's literally my favorite week of the month whenever I get my Green Chef in, if I'm doing a video with them. I am so excited. They have so many meal plans. No matter your diet, they have a meal plan for you. If you're vegan, if you're pescatarian, if you're gluten-free, if you're keto diet, paleo, so many meal plans, they have it for you and you can make it super easily. They have the little recipe card, comes with all of the pre-packaged ingredients, and also I know it is a lot of packaging, but all of their packaging is recyclable, so you guys can recycle it, and they show you actually instructions on how to recycle it. Their meals are delicious and I just get so excited to cook. It makes cooking a lot of fun, honestly. You can also switch up your meal plan if you ever need to. So for example, this week I wanted a vegan meal plan, and I'm not vegan, but I just wanted to try a vegan meal plan. I've had them before. I really like them, so I really love the flexibility in it, and it just gets delivered right to your door, which is just, oh, I love it. So for someone like me that works a lot, it's just a lot easier because I don't really have to worry about grocery shopping as much, since I do have all the ingredients to my door, and because I mainly cook by myself. Sometimes I'll bring someone else in to cook with me. Tonight I'm going to my cousin's house and I'm really excited, but since I do cook by myself, I actually get 2 meals out of it because yesterday I cooked and then today I'm bringing the second half for lunch. So it works really great and it saves me a lot of money in the long run, because instead of me wasting ingredients by buying way too much at the grocery store or going out to eat, it definitely does save me a little bit of money personally. If you guys want to check out Green Chef, I'm gonna have the link down below for you guys to click on it, and highly recommend. I'm obsessed with them. I always post on my Instagram story. It makes me look like a little chef. I am about to go cook some breakfast. I already worked out this morning. I already had 1 whole cup of water this morning that I took to the gym with me, and now I'm about to go and make some breakfast. I'm one of those people that has to eat breakfast before work. I'm so hungry when I wake up. Breakfast. It was so good. I just had eggs and avocado toast, and I feel like every time I film breakfast I have eggs and avocado toast, but I really don't switch it up, you guys. This is a very real what I eat in a day. I pretty much eat eggs every single morning. I just love them so much, and if I do have avocado, then I do avocado toast, or I'll just do eggs and toast with butter or something like that, just depending on what I'm feeling. And it's amazing that I do not get tired of it. I am going to make myself a coffee before I go to work, and I either make myself an espresso, or I have this Stoke cold brew. It is so good. Tasha's the one that actually got me hooked on these. They are so amazing. You can get them at Target, Publix, whatever your local grocery store is. Honestly, they should have it. It's so amazing. I usually get the not sweet one, the unsweetened one completely, but they ran out of it, so I just got the not so sweet one, and I just put this in my cup, put some oat milk in it, and it's literally such good coffee. And for lunch today, I'm just bringing what I made yesterday. So the chickpeas with the rice and then the cauliflower. I love this glass Tupperware. I got it at Publix, or Target, but I think you can get it at Amazon also. I just like really love glass Tupperware instead of plastic. But I'm just gonna heat this up in the microwave. We have like a little break room and like lunchroom in my office. So I'm gonna do that. And then I also have the sauce to put on top of it. And I'm so excited because this was so good. So I love how whenever I cook something, I like make enough to have a second meal because it just makes life a lot easier. What's up guys? So it is after work right now and I just went to the pool to lay out. So I changed, I'm back, I took off all my makeup. I know I look different from the morning, but I'm about to eat a snack. Being out in the sun makes me so hungry. These are so good. They're the plantain chips from Trader Joe's, but I got jerk style ones. I think my spice tolerance is at like an all-time low because I think these are so spicy and not many people think they're that spicy. Like I can only eat like 5 of them. Like I think that they're so spicy I have to stop eating them. This is what they look like. They're the jerk style plantain chips. They're regular plantain chips, which I also have in my pantry, are really good also. But do yourself a favor and get yourself these. If you get them and my video inspired you, take a screenshot of it and send it to me. They are so good. But yeah, I'm only gonna eat a couple because like I said, I cannot handle the spice. But they're just a great alternative to potato chips. I know they're still like fried and stuff like that, but they're just so good and I'm obsessed with plantains. Like me eating these, my nose is running. I'm like taking deep breaths. I need water. These are jerk style. They're not even that spicy. Please someone try these and tell me they're spicy. Okay, I'm like almost done with the whole bag. My nose is running. My eyes are even watering. On fire. It's the last one and I'm putting it away because I am legit like on fire. I really hope I'm not the only one that thinks that these are really so spicy, especially when you eat a lot of them. If you eat one, not that spicy. Continue eating. So spicy. I am headed to my cousin's house because we are going to do a little cousin bonding, and I am making the lentil walnut tacos. He decided on this one and it's so easy because I'm just like taking it in this brown bag and all the ingredients are there, so it's perfect. So I'm just headed to his house right now and we're just gonna get some dinner, and then I really want to walk to an ice cream shop called Jenny's. It's pretty much, it's in like different cities across the US, but we have it in Charlotte. Oh my gosh, do yourself a favor and go to Jenny's if you guys have one near you. It is so good. They have the coolest flavors and they just like work perfectly. Like I don't even understand how they taste so good. I personally always get the goat cheese one and the lavender one, which sound really gross and weird, but they're just amazing. Yeah, I'm just gonna go over there. We're gonna cook some lentil walnut tacos and I'm really excited. I'm in like an energetic, happy mood. Let's go. Why am I like this? So I'm finally at my cousin's and we're making the lentil walnut tacos, and here are just all the ingredients laid out. So I'm really excited to cook these. I hope that they're good. They look really good though, and I love lentils. Let's get cooking. Don't forget to click on the link in my description to get $75 off, which would be $25 off your first 3 boxes of Green Chef. And it was just so much fun cooking with my cousin, and it was a good bonding time, so be sure to check it out. We're drinking Coronas while cooking.
And the beer is vegan too.
Here is the final result. These lentil tacos. I put some cilantro, the cashew crema, some pickled veggies. It looks so good. Yum. Oh, you got fancy and put it in this thing.
I did. Gotta use it.
Yeah. Yay.